Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Test your solvent for 10-20 seconds on a hidden edge so you avoid damage. Once done, heat the sticker for 20-30 seconds with a hair dryer on medium to soften the adhesive. This reduces scraping force. Make sure to have rubbing alcohol, a gentle oil like 3-in-1 or vegetable oil, a plastic scraper, microfiber cloths, and gloves at hand. The goal is to weaken the glue before you touch it so you preserve the surface. You apply rubbing alcohol or a specialist adhesive remover. Saturate the residue and wait 30-60 seconds so the solvent penetrates the glue. Then, using circular motions with the microfiber, lift softened adhesive while you gently peel with a plastic scraper. Work from the edge inward to avoid spreading. If some glue resists, reapply solvent and allow more dwell time, because patience dissolves the bond. Make sure to rotate the cloth to a clean area so you don't smear removed residue back on. You finish by washing the area with mild soap and water, then dry thoroughly to remove any solvent or oil film. If tiny sticky bits persist, apply a small amount of oil, rub gently, and follow immediately with an alcohol wipe to remove oily residue. This restores surface feel. If glue remains stubborn, repeat the heat plus solvent cycle and use a fresh scraper edge. If the surface gets cloudy or damaged, stop and test a milder method on an inconspicuous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.